Hello and welcome to our video on how to report a Facebook Friends profile. Reporting a profile is an essential step towards ensuring a safe and positive experience on the platform. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to report a Facebook Friends profile in just a few simple steps. First, open up the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, search for your friend's profile by typing their name in the search bar at the top of the screen. Next, once you've found their profile, tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of their profile page. This will bring up a drop-down menu with a list of options. From the list of options, choose Report Profile. This will take you to a page where you can select the reason why you're reporting the profile. Choose from the list of problems that best describes why you're reporting the profile. You can select from options such as fake profile, hate speech, or nudity or sexual content. Once you've selected the problem, tap on Done to submit the report. Facebook will review the report and take appropriate action if necessary. It's important to note that reporting a friend's profile is a serious action and should only be taken if the profile violates Facebook's community standards. If you're unsure whether to report a profile, you can consult Facebook's Help Center for more information. To recap, here are the steps to report a Facebook Friends profile. 1. Open Facebook and search for your friend's profile. 2. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of their profile page. 3. Choose Report Profile from the drop-down menu. 4. Select the problem from the list of options. 5. Tap Done to submit the report. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.